Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change background in Bigo Live. And so to do that, go ahead and open up Bigo Live application and you'll be appear with the user interface or the homepage of Bigo. Now in the media section you can see the video icon or the live section. Go ahead and tap on it. So to use it you have to go to live, tap on go live. So once you are there you can see many different options. Now here you can see the three dots option. Go ahead and tap on it. So here are different options available like beauty, magic, mirror, flip, SD, sticker, PC and many more. So to change the background what you have to do is tap on magic and here are different marks that you can use. You look so funny. So in order to change the background you can choose on background and here are some options available. Just select the background that you like to add and wait for a minute. Once you are happy with it you can just save it or you can just use it. Once it's done you are good to go. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.